Top of the hour, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi billing the health care plan as a way to reform insurance and boost the American economy. Listen.
Our economy needs something new, a jolt. And I believe that this legislation will unleash tremendous entrepreneurial power into our economy.
Entrepreneurial power. Let's ask a real entrepreneur. Jordan Wirse is a 27-year-old self-made millionaire who says the taxes from this bill will absolutely kill the entrepreneurial power. Jordan, you are with us from Las Vegas. Jordan, you've been an entrepreneur since you were 14. You're just 27 now. What about this bill bothers guys like you?
Oh, God. So, so much about it bothers us. I got to tell you, one of the biggest problems with this bill is it's punishing the entrepreneurs who are going out and creating the jobs for America. And, as you know, it starts at 50 people, where these companies really have to dive into the huge, enormous costs that are going to be undertaken. And, there's so much talk in the entrepreneurial community right now about how to keep companies under 50 people.
But Jordan,
and that's not
here's what a lot of
creating
people,
jobs.
I know that, and that's great because at 50 is a threshold, and the $250,000 is also another threshold because that's when you pay more taxes. A lot of people who aren't millionaires are watching right now, and they're saying, Jordan and people like him can afford it. Why is he complaining? What's your reaction?
Well, you know what, and I sympathize with that because, $250,000 is a lot of money for a lot of people. But the entrepreneurs are not only, they're taking a significant amount of risk, and it's a difficult job. It really is a difficult job, and there's got to be an incentive there for somebody to take that entrepreneurial risk, and that income is part of it. Just as many people as go make, $250,000 or $1 million a year, there's a lot of entrepreneurs that struggle just to make $40,000 and $50,000 a year.
And Jordan, in the 2,000-plus pages, there's going to be a mandate. You got to get a health insurance, and for businesses, you got to offer this health insurance or pay a fine. In what respect, how do you take that as somebody that might buy and sell another couple of companies in the next 2 years?
Well, I think there's going to be a lot less capital investment out there. There's already a huge amount of talk with venture capital firms and, lending firms, just companies that give, startups capital about not wanting to get into bigger businesses. And that's, it's constricting the ability for America to grow, for our economy to recover, and for entrepreneurs to get out there and build companies. There's no entrepreneur that wants to build a company under 50 people. Entrepreneurs are the typical big thinkers, and if you say at 50 people we're gonna tack on another near 10% onto your payroll in taxes and in health costs. I mean, it's enormous. Most companies operate in a 5 to 10% of gross revenue budget, and that's their profit margin. This bill might be taking away half of that.
Right. Instead of government jobs and jobs programs that way, people like Jordan got to start the businesses and hire the people and create those jobs, and he needs incentives to do it. Jordan, we got your message this morning. Congratulations on all your success. Thanks for sharing your secrets.
Thank you.